Welcome back to another video series. In this video series, we are going to learn how to install Apktool in different operating systems like Windows 7, Windows 10, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Parrot OS, and of course, Termux. So without Apktool, you may not be able to decompile or recompile your application after doing some changes in it. Okay, and in terms of making applications fully undetectable, you need to install it properly. So without wasting our time, let's start watching this playlist, and I'll request you to please like and subscribe. Let me know that you are watching our videos. Thank you so much.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.